I tell you everything you needed why to use dictionary in the previous lesson. Let's go and see how we can use it. Dictionaries are written with curly bracelets and have keys and values. We saw them. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicated. We can get dictionaries how? For example, we have a dictionary here. This is our dictionary we have here. We can use this dictionary in two modes. For example, we can print all the dictionary. We don't do this, but you can use it. You see, it's all of the things we have in our dictionary, and it gives us. But the better way is that we sometimes just get, for example, brands, and it's giving us just a brand or just a model. We are using a K for getting the value, model or year. We are just copying the K's. Okay, ordered or unordered. When we say the dictionary are ordered, it means that items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that items do not have defined order or you cannot. We learn about it when we use more about dictionaries, but it's okay for now. Duplicates not allow. What it means? It means we can't have two K's. For example, here we can't have another K name here. Let's say if I put it here, you see the problem or not? The problem here is that the 1 year is going to show and the other one is going to be deleted. We can't get this year, never. Because of that, we must use duplicates. And let's see, we have here what? Okay, we can get the len of dictionary. What do you think the len is going to give us? It's going to give us 3, 2, 1. Get the time and guess. It's 3. Why? 1, 2, 3. Or you think it's not? Let's just research it. We just copy that, paste it here, and let's see if the duplicate item is in the dictionary, what len it's going to give us. It's almost 3 because it's delete the top one, but let's say model 1. Then let's say the len is 4. It's counting the K's and giving us the len. Okay. We can give it anything we want, a string, int, boolean, and list every data. It's approved. The class is dict. We learn about the dict constructor. It's even possible to create a dict like dit. We don't really use it, but we have these functions. Okay, let's do the exercise and see what we learned until now. This is a tuple, this is list, and this is a dictionary. Dictionary items cannot be removed after the dictionary has been created. False. The dictionary item can be removed. They can't be disordered. A dictionary cannot have two keys with the same name. It can, but we say it can, but it deletes the past one. Because of that, it's true. Okay. Select the correct function to print the number of key values per in the dictionary. This len. Okay, exercise Python access dictionary. We are going to access items. We learn about we can access them like this, or you can use get. The get is an interesting item. Why? For example, think about we have this list that we are trying to get, but sometimes we need to get the value. How we can get them? We just simply use the get function here, dot get. How? We here just paste dot get and this and this, then run it. You see it's giving us the value. You can use it whenever you want to get the value, and you can also get all the keys with the function.keys. Let me just show you. These are important functions we use. Keys, sorry, I maybe write it wrong. Okay, it gave us the keys in which format? Can you guess the format of the key data? It's important to remember the formats and use them perfectly. This is dict case, this is not list. Don't make mistake. Okay, this is the example. We don't need to do that. Get a list of the values. You can use it by this answer and get the value list here. And let me just show X. It's the values, and remember another time, it's not list. I'm going to show you. It's dict values, its format, and example. We can get items method, reads each item in a dictionary. Let's see what it's doing. And X, it's giving us a dictionary. We can use it. Let's say what we have here. Okay. These are the important things that we are going to get. We are going to learn how to change the items of the dictionary. Let's say how we can change them. Let me just copy that. And we are going to learn about it. We have here our code. We have a dictionary of cars, brand, model, year. When we here print X before the changes, what is going to happen? Let's do it. It's going to give us the list, but after that we change the value. It's going to change the value. How we change the value? We first write the name of the dictionary and then the key and change the key. It's really easy to use. You can see. Let me, for example, let's say we can just say car, open the sheet and say brand, and then say equal to, for example, 50/50, and then print X. What is the problem? Can you guess? X is uppercase. You see the brand is 50/50. The program is changing, and if you see the car, its brand is changed to. Okay, let's go down and see what we have. Add a new item to the original dictionary and see what will happen. Car.items, car colors. You can also create an item from zero. For example, like here, you can add a car color and you see another key and value happen to be added. You can check if the key is exist or not. If model in this list, we are going to use it. Okay, let's do the exercise. You can access item value by referring the key name. Yes, it's true. Use the get method to print the value of car.get value of what? Model. Oh, what is the problem? Model. Let me close it. It's right. What will be printed? The result. The type is fruit. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we learn to change the items in a dictionary. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you have any questions.